their argument is anything to go by, then we have a serious problem ahead of us. But let me say, the decision of this Supreme Court advantages Mr. Alan Kyerematen, and we are so happy. It's so a victory for Mr. Alan Kyerematen's presidency.
How does
And let me tell you, if this decision had come earlier, we would have had a lot of MPs who would boldly be coming out supporting Mr. Alan Kyerematen. Because why were they afraid to support Mr. Alan Kyerematen's independent candidature? The fear of their seats being declared vacant. Now, that is why a lot
told you that? They
told us in confidence. We have more than half of the MPs of the new patriotic side supporting Mr. Alan Kyerematen secretly. But for the fear of their seat being declared vacant, that is why they are siding with the MPP side. We call them butterfly elephant. That is what they are. They are there silently, working for us. And so, why can't we be happy? One of the arguments that have been put forward, especially by our friends from the MPP, is that when Mr. Alan Kyerematen becomes the president, he will not have MPs to appoint as ministers of state. Is that not the case? And so, with this decision, all that my beautiful MPs from the MPP side and the ND side would do is that when Mr. Alan Kyerematen becomes president and appoints you or nominates you as a minister, you just cross carpet and say you are going as an independent candidate. Nobody in that parliament can declare your seat vacant. You remain a minister till the lifetime of this parliament. Is it not beautiful for Mr. Alan Kyerematen? But what would we have done to ourselves? Would this decision stand the test of time? Ask yourself. Because this same MPP, Godfrey Dami in 2020, was a member of the MPP. Isn't that the case? He was the Deputy Attorney General. Now, the decision to declare that seat vacant emanated from the New Patriotic Party. The General Secretary of that party, John Boadu, was the one that sent the petition to Parliament. And by so it means he had consulted everyone that mattered, including all the lawyers that he was talking about. The Yalians, the Oxfordians, the Nottinghamians, what have you? Where you went to school?
The Cambridgians.
The Cambridgians, they were all there. And they wrote beautifully to the Speaker of Parliament, Aaron Michael Quay. Mind you, he is also a reverend minister and a professor who understands the constitution of the land clearly.